Howdy Airshow fans, this is Thom Richard with P-40 Warhawk American Dream coming to you virtually from Kissimmee, Florida for the socially distant airshow provided by Live Airshow TV. We're going to bring you back to last summer to the greatest little show on turf, the Geneseo Airshow. Enjoy.
Hey, thanks for having me, buddy. There you go. But still, we're going to fly. Current radius of this airplane is right outside. Automatic aircraft, of course, even before. There he is. Doesn't need much coaching at all, does he?
Hope you enjoyed seeing American Dream being put through her paces. During the lack of airshow season, feel free to visit us on Facebook at P-40 Warhawk American Dream or Instagram hashtag P-40 American Dream. You can also visit us on our website for the latest updates and American Dream gear, warbirdadventures.com. I hope to see all of you during a very busy and exciting airshow season later this summer. As always, we appreciate your support of the ICAS Foundation. Now back to Rick, Rob, and Matt. Y'all stay safe out there. Richard with the P-40 Warhawk American Dream coming. I'm going to try that again. American Dream put blah 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 blah. Hope you. warbirdadventures.com. Now back to Matt, Rob. No, I'm sorry. Back to Rob. No, back. P-40 Warhawk American Dream coming to warbirdadventures.com. And now what? Hope you enjoyed seeing American Dream being put through her paces. And la-di-da. Hope you enjoyed seeing American Dream being put through her paces. And I have no idea what to say next.